about half a cup. When the oil is well hot, you add cumin. Quand l'huile est bien chaude, vous rajoutez le cumin. Vous baissez le feu au minimum. You lower the heat at the minimum. And you add a little bit of turmeric, curcumin, a nice spoon of paprika, salt, nice tablespoon of garlic, and you mix well until everything is well combined. Vous remuez bien pour que tout bien se mélange. And you take that and you set it aside. We add the meat around. On ajoute la viande autour. Minute roast. Tu peux regarder what is minute roast in French? Parce qu'en fait, on utilise soit du paleron, soit du jarret. Le jarret, c'est bon pour le couscous. Et le paleron, là, c'est two big, huge bones that we add in the middle. We add the spices. On rajoute ce qu'on a toasté. We start it with cold water. Chicken broth. I like to take a parchment paper, wet, and I put it on top. We close, medium low. After an hour and a half, 2 hours, you check the level of the liquid. Add some potato, some hard-boiled eggs. Après 2 heures de cuisson, on rajoute des œufs durs et un petit peu de pommes de terre. On rajoute de l'eau. We add some water, boiling water. Mix. The meat is almost done. Another half an hour for the potato to get tender, and that's it. Nice piece of meat. A bit of potato, some beans, piece of meat, and it's just so delicious.